Read reviews that most people are talking about JIAHAYAU Portable Bluetooth Speaker, Portable Wireless Bluetooth Speaker. The features by video introduce the latest products YouTube channel would like to recommend are as follows. Super loud stereo sound. This 40 watts portable Bluetooth speaker features 2 tweeters and 2 full-range drivers to stream up to 60 watt loud and clear sound to your home or outdoor parties. 2 additional passive radiators in the front and back help to improve bass performance. It can deliver crisp highs, clear mid-range, and rich, punchy bass. For a truly wireless stereo sound experience, you can also add a second one to create a stereo pair and amp up the fun. Up to 32 hours playback. The rechargeable Bluetooth speaker lets you enjoy up to 32 hours of crystal clear audio at medium volume. It can pump out crisp, clear vocals and deep, powerful bass at home, in the garage, or on the go. The wireless outdoor speaker can double as a portable power bank. You can charge your cell phone or other USB devices via its built-in USB port. No need to carry an extra charger. IPX7 waterproof. The outdoor Bluetooth speaker is rated IPX7 waterproof with the silicone cap seal tight. You don't have to worry about ruining your speaker because of an unfortunate drink spill or water splashes. The floating pool speaker can pop to the water surface and work properly even after being fully submerged in 3.3 feet of water for up to 30 minutes. Give you peace of mind when you enjoy music in a shower room, by the sea/pool, or out on an adventure. Bluetooth 5.0 faster connection. The waterproof Bluetooth speaker features the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology with EDR, ensuring a faster and more stable connection than ever. Its built-in digital signal processor or DSP dynamically adjusts the gain to increase clarity and loudness. The built-in microphone allows you to take phone calls directly from this Bluetooth speaker for party. So you can stay connected with your loved ones while livening up your party or camping/hiking trips. Rugged portable outdoor speaker. This travel speaker with an ergonomic handle makes it much more convenient to take it with you on the go. You can enjoy your favorite music, podcasts, and audiobooks, indoors or outdoors. This wireless speaker is durable and shock-proof enough to withstand a few bumps and bruises along the way thanks to its front and back metal grills. This video create by video introduce the latest products YouTube channel. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.